Guys, today I would like to teach you how to use Solidworks. So first we need to go to the file. We want to create it some new file. Let's hit it new, and if we just want to create it a part document, and we could just choose default like camp part and hit it OK. Waiting for a while and going to this window that we could draw something in it. So next we'll choose which plane we need to draw on it. And for examples, I want to draw something in front plane, and I hit it the front plane, or I can right click and choose shell. I can also those three default plane to visible. And next I can, with these three line in here, I can directly choose one of them and trying to, at that moment, is show this block in here. I can directly choose sketch, or I can go into the sketch tab and directly choose sketch. You don't necessarily to be click this drop down menu because it's include several options, and the first option just the 2D sketch, and second is 3D sketch. And at that moment, if we just want to draw or apply, we just choose 2D sketch is enough, it's okay, and we could directly click the sketch and then automatically cover the front sketch. And next, I can use the sketch tool in here to create some shape I want. For examples, I want to create basic rectangles. I hit this and drag. There has 5 types of rectangles, and the first one is corner rectangles. It's by hitting 2 points on the corner to create it rectangles. So if I hit this and drag my mouse from left to right, I can create it rectangles. Next time, I can use small dimensions to give specific dimensions I want. For examples, currently it shows the dimensions of this edge is 31.29. So if we just want to change to a 30, it's perfectly. And then we're going to define these to maybe 40. And next, if I finish this sketch and I can directly go into a feature. I don't necessarily to be exit the sketch. I can go to this and choose extrude boss, and I can extrude it this shape, and I also can give the dimension that we want to a 20, and I can also hit the directions to different directions, and we could talk to you this later. Let's hit it OK. So here is our menu, basic menu. So in here you could choose save your document, create a document, open a document. In here, insert, you could find all most comments you want to give the features to your models. You could find extrude and extrude cards, or fillet, round edge. And in tools, we could also sketch entirely, can do a sketch stuff or sketch tools. You could choose offside on this curves. This is a insert the features. Insert block is very useful block tab. And next, this is basic comments you can find in here. For examples, this tab, feature tab, you could give your object, for example, extrude, revolve, extrude cards. And the sketch tab you're gonna use to create a 3D sketch or 2D sketch on a plane. And evaluate by measure, you could very easy to measure the distance between two data. So currently it shows the length of this part is 20 millimeters and the length between these two parts is 40 millimeters. And this is a very useful zebra strip. By hit this, you can directly find your quality of your service. If there has a curved surface, if it not very smooth, it's gonna show a brick in the middle. So it's very convenient too. And in here, you could zoom to fit your model. And you could also by a double click the middle mouse button to achieve this. And then here is zoom to area. For example, I hit this and I drag my mouse from left to right. I can easily to zoom in this area I give it. I dragged it. And this is a section view. By hit this section view, and you could choose which section view you're gonna give. So this is a front plane. If I hit it a top plane and to drag your mouse, you could get the section view with this kind of directions. The same as this is a right plane. You could very easy to drag your mouse to the middle to give a section view of your object and hit it OK. And you could easily to close this by click it again. And next is view of rotations, and you could change the top view or another view. For example, a front view, and you could check your later. There's several views we could choose, and this is visible. So if I hit it view plane, if I disable this, it's gonna didn't show the plane anymore. Let's hit it again. It's gonna show those plane I created. And so this is modified. So this is modified the upper appearance. For examples, I choose the solid body, and then I hit it edit appearance. And then I could directly change the colors of the object. Also, you could choose transparent. I could tell you later. And in this is apply thing. So currently 3-point fit. If it change to apply white, it's gonna change a different scenario, right? And next is some options of it. If I enabled it, the perspective, it's gonna show this perspective view. And cartoon still, you could try yourself later. Okay, guys, we just finished our first license, and see you in next license. Bye.